Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. We're here again with the Ariel Grizzly V2, and we're going to talk about how it stacks up to its competition. Now, this bike costs just under $3,300. The Super73 RX, which I recently got rid of, is almost near $4,000. The quality is next level with the Ariel Grizzly V2. I mean, it's not even close. Let's talk about the value you get compared to the Super73 RX. That bike is so expensive but falls short in so many different areas. That bike is supposed to have a 1200 watt motor. The lack of torque, the lack of power is very, very disappointing. So you have a bike here that costs just under $3,300. And not only does it have two 1000 watt motors, now that alone puts the value way over the Super73 RX. And then you're talking about two batteries. You're talking about 35 amp hours of juice compared to the 20 amp hours on the Super73 RX. So just think about it. Think about all you're getting in this bike. The quality, the welding, the wiring, the torque, the power blows the Super73 RX out of the water. It's not even close. And you're paying almost $4,000 for the Super73 RX. Now these motors, there's something special about these motors. These motors have metal gears instead of nylon gears. So you're gonna get more torque, more power, and they're gonna last. With the Super73 motors, they've been stripping with the nylon gears. People are just having crazy amounts of problems with their bikes because they just don't hold up. And that bothers me. Almost $4,000 for that bike. And there's tons of issues, tons of quality control issues. You're not gonna get that with this bike. You're gonna get a quality bike with two beefy, torquey, powerful motors. I mean, the power that comes out of this bike is just insane. I can make it up hills in my area. Unlike with the Super73, I couldn't even make it up hills. And then they released a torque update that actually took away the top speed of the bike. And it's, to be honest, the torque update is laughable. You don't need a torque update with these bikes. If you ever have a chance to sit on someone's Ariel Grizzly, whether it be the V1 or the V2, and the V1 had 750 watt motors, and that thing still blew away my Super73 RX. The batteries alone, I mean, if you were to get a replacement battery, how much would you actually spend on it? The value is just incredible compared to its competitors. I mean, juice bikes, they don't even have anything that stacks even close to this bike. The customer service is just insanely good with Ariel compared to Super73, which I would put in tickets for them or send them emails. I wouldn't hear from them for months. So as far as the competition goes, compared to this bike, it's not even close. The price may be a lot more. You may be paying a lot more for the other bikes, but as far as this bike goes, for what you get, nothing even compares. If you disagree with me, leave your points in the comments and I'd love to talk about them with you. This bike comes with 7 speeds. The Super73 bikes don't even come with a shifter. It's a 1-speed bike. So do yourself a favor, save yourself the money, save yourself the trouble down the road, and go with the best quality bike you can get for the money for less than $3,300. Yeah, it's not even close. But that's it, guys. If you like my content, please subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and also ring that notification bell for future notifications of my videos. And if you're looking to purchase your own Ariel Grizzly V2, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps out the channel a bunch, I'm telling you, and it helps us keep putting out content like this. All right, until next time, thanks for watching. Peace out.